Good day. This is for my engineering management Pecha Kucha presentation by Aquino Kaiser M. Good day, everyone. Today, I will be sharing two real life experiences that help me understand management in a practical way. The first story is from the perspective of manager, where I had to organize and lead a group. The second story is the perspective of a subordinate, where I experienced firsthand how someone else managed a team. Why these experiences matter. Before studying management, I used to think that leadership was only about giving instructions or being the smartest person in the group. But through this experience, I realized that management is more about planning, teamwork, communication, and responsibilities. The manager's perspective. The situation. My first experience as a manager, ex- manager happened during a group project in one of my engineering subjects. We are assigned to design and present a technical solution with a limited time. I was chosen as the group leader because my classmates trusted my organized skills. The challenge. At first, I thought leading would be easy. I believed that since everyone was capable, the work would naturally get done. But I quickly realized that without proper direction, tasks overlapped, deadlines were missed, and confusion started to build. Planning. The first management function I applied was planning. I created a simple timeline showing what tasks needed to be completed each week. I also divided the project into smaller parts so that everyone clearly understood their responsibilities. Organizing. Next, organizing is I focus on organizing the team. I assigned roles based on each member's strengths. For example, one member handled research, another focused on calculation, and another prepared the presentation slides. This made our workflow more structured. Communication. Communication became very important during this project. I created a group chat where we could share updates and ask questions. I also scheduled short meetings to check our progress and address any problems early. A problem encountered. One of the biggest challenges happened when a team member submitted their part late. This delayed the rest of the group's work. Instead of blaming them, I tried to understand their situation and adjusted the schedule to help the team recover. Leading the team. As the leader, I learned that motivating people is just as important as giving instructions. I encouraged my team, reminded them of our goal, and showed appreciation for their efforts. This helped maintain a positive working environment. The outcome, in the end, we completed the project successfully and delivered our presentation on time. More importantly, our teamwork improved and everyone contributed to the final result. This experience taught me that management is about guiding people, not controlling them. Part 2. The subordinate's perspective. A different role. My second experience come from a perspective of a subordinate. This happened during another group activity where I was not leader. Instead, I was a regular member following instructions from our assigned project manager. First impressions. At the beginning, I observed how our leader managed the team. They clearly explained our objectives and expectations. They also provided a scheduled and assigned tasks right away, which made the project feel organized from the start. Clear instructions. One thing I appreciate was how specific the instructions were. Instead of simply telling us the finished product, our leader explained exactly what needed to be done, how it should be done, and when it was due. This reduced confusion. Support and guidance. Whenever we encountered difficulties, our leader was able to help. They listened to our concerns and provided suggestions instead of criticism. This created a supportive environment where everyone felt comfortable asking questions. Team coordination. Our leader also coordinated the team effectively. They also made sure that everyone's work connected smoothly with the rest of the project. Because of this coordination, we avoided duplication of tasks and saved time. A challenge from the team. There was a moment when some members disagreed about how to approach a certain task. Instead of ignoring the conflict, our leader facilitated a discussion and helped us reach a compromise. This showed strong leadership and provided solving skills. Observing leadership skills. From this experience, I realized that good leaders do not just focus on results, they also focus and care about teamwork, communication, and fairness. Their behavior directly affects the motivation and performance of the group. Lessons learned as a subordinate. Being a subordinate taught me the importance of following instruction, respecting leadership, and contributing responsibly to the team. I also learned that effective management makes work easier and more efficient for everyone involved. Conclusion. Connecting both perspectives. Comparing the two experiences helped me understanding management from both sides. As a manager, I also learned how challenging it is to lead people. And as a subordinate, I realized how important good leadership is for our team's success. For the final reflection, this experience showed me that management is not just about authority or position. It is about responsibility, communication, and teamwork. Whether leading or following, every member plays a role in achieving shared goals. Thank you. Thank you.